Alright, y'all. Here's the Buell. We're gonna give her a bath because we got some new mirrors on here. Well, not on here, but these mirrors are not functional at all. So we're gonna take those off. Alright, it's time to take these mirrors off. Just wiped her down, gave her a little bit of a bath, you know. That's the wrong size. Yeah, it's the wrong size. Yep, there we go. Alright. Now, oh God. What the hell? This isn't really coming off very well. She's gotta come out there eventually. Oh, we're getting her. There we go. Well, would you look at that? And there we go. Well, would you look at that? Got that mirror off. It was a bit of a struggle, but we got it. And I'm gonna put the other one on before I take this one off because I want to see the side-to-side comparison. Alright, so I thought that it would come with bolts for it, but I guess not, so we're just gonna use the same old bolts as before. I will maybe show a little bit of the process that I'm getting it on, but I'll probably just do it. It would appear as if we have to drill a fucking hole because these don't line up with those. Well, I'm starting to think that the holes for the mirrors are not quite perfect because if you look in there, there's a good bit of space that it hangs off. This one hung off way more, so I shaved it down, but either way, I think that this one looks better than that one. The new one does. Looks more natural on the bike, and it's definitely going to be more useful because I couldn't even use that one barely. Alright guys, well that was a lot more work than I had intended on it being, and they are still pretty not even, but that's alright. I still think it looks a lot better. I'm gonna have to adjust them, sit on them, adjust them, and then yeah, and then we can go for a ride sometime.